getting really gnarly here. I can almost not push my way through anymore. Looks so nice. And these rocks also look kind of amazing. Kind of want to bring one. Maybe bring a small one. I really didn't think it would be that beautiful. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Didn't think it would be so dry and that there would be like a grassland. Ooh.
I already threw it away. I took it off the back and threw it away.
It's a good...
It looks like it's going back that way.
Here. It's right through here.
Reeds, so the ground's going to be very muddy as well.
Yeah, that's... Jeez. Yeah. It's like a maze in here. Wow. Is it snowing? I feel like I'm on my way to the beach or something. Can you say something? Pretty gnarly, honestly. Okay, I'm coming. I feel like there's a... I think like we can walk here, where I'm at. I'm over here. Nice to meet you. Where are you going? Oh, a fellow hiker. Nice to meet you. Nice night for a walk, eh? Sorry, guys. Could definitely go for swimming. Oh yeah, there really is a fish. Huh. It's quite something. Hey, this is day 4. We are just passing the small ghost lake. It's right there behind me. And we just refilled our water bottles, had some lunch, and now we are going to continue to the big ghost lake. Still 3 more days to get there. In between, we will be camping at a place called Hongoihu, and it's really sunny right now. It's super nice, so let's hope it stays like that. Are you okay, Shane? And Esteban is very busy right now talking about magnetism. We just passed the small ghost lake. It's behind us, and we're gonna continue our hike through the jungle. Seems pretty okay here. Let's hope it stays like this, and it's very sunny and dry, which is very nice. Found what seems to be a hunter camp, but it's abandoned, been abandoned for a long time. And we're going to continue through the woods here. Hopefully get to our next camping spot before nighttime. But we don't see any ribbons or any trail right now, so it'll be it's a little bit sketchy right now, but we're getting closer. Looking for the trail right now. Just don't see anything here, honestly. Looks amazing here. Wonder if anyone has ever been here. Wow. This is amazing. Almost made it to the top. Let's see what we can see. Oh wow, that is amazing. Wow, that is an amazing view. God, finally. Whew. Oh, it's just so nice to be out of the woods for a moment. This looks so amazing. Wow. I love this so much up here. Get through here. Careful here.
I don't think we need to find an answer for everything. I don't like the need to find an answer for everything.
So it's for a moment. Really gnarly here. I can almost not push my way through anymore. Over here. Okay, seems to clear up over here. Oh God, Jesus, thank God. Okay, we're clear. They might plant some. We just need to go straight. A little bit to the right, actually. Okay, trying to get to this saddle over there to that ridge. That's where we'll make camp tonight. But trail conditions are pretty bad right now. We've got no trail visibility and we are all extremely exhausted. Is there a ribbon? How is there a ribbon here? I guess we are on the trail then.
We're gonna have to jump quite a lot lower.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Wow. I think I'll just go through here. Careful.
You ready to go through that?
Just a second.
My steeple bent to that.
This trekking pole is bending. Mine is also bending, bro. The sun is blinding me. I can't really see where we're going. Yeah, it looks much better though. It looks doable. So, yeah, I think we
Be
can.
very careful with what you can't see in that grass.
Yeah. Careful, there's like some thorns here. I don't think there's easy here, bro. I just find it hard to believe that there's an easy here right now.
And I think we'll be able to move easily in that car.
Okay. Maybe. It's pretty steep here. Well, it looks like someone has been through here. Okay. You're gonna have to grab on this, to these things. This is pretty gnarly. This is not exactly. You have to walk on. You have to hold on to a bunch of grass and pull yourself up, I guess. Okay. Yeah.
How'd it look up there?
Pretty okay. Better than down there, honestly.
Okay, if you want to clear some space.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you. I'll go on through.
You go first.
Okay. Be careful with those roots, they're not very stable.
I got a steeple right here. Oh, got stuck.
Oh god, I'm almost falling down, bro.
Oh, shit.
Okay, you got this.
Thank you.
No problem, go. Go. There you go. Okay, go first. I'll go last. Be careful, there might be some drop here.
There are.
It was really far in one spot.
cooks really fast.
You guys will need to send me those photos later.
没有没有，我们是从那个高雄过来的。对对。
哇，
我们从中平林到。
那个好一点。
啊，你去过大鬼湖吗？
有啊，我们从大鬼湖过来的。
啊，那从这里去大鬼湖很难走吗？
大鬼
Do you want to hear the truth? The truth because we're dying.
你看这个是一个日本的地图，然后这里没有领导，但是这里下面有地图，然后这里本来好像有一个地方叫 Raga， 你知道这是什么？本来有房子。 不知道如果是原住民的还是日本的，
应该是原住民的。
We are hungry now and filtering some water, and this place looks just magical. Our friends turned back. We are at Hongoihu and just got some water, and our friends decided not to continue to Dagoihu anymore because there was a hiking group that they joined, and we are going to continue, just Chin and me, to Dagoihu now on this old Lindau forest road. And we are pretty late, but we should be able to manage. Like really on this old mountain road there used to be electricity here. We are really deep. We are on the 5th day, right? We are 5 days into the jungle of Taiwan. We're basically walking in the middle of Taiwan right now, and we find this, which seems to be a ceramic insulator, probably around 60 or 70 years old. They don't use these anymore. Super interesting. I just found this here. That is so crazy. So there used to actually be electricity on this road. I don't know how, but I mean, we've been hiking over mountain ridges and this road just appears out of thin air. It's just fascinating how the mountain takes the infrastructure back so quickly. But I'm just happy to be walking on a flat road right now, and this is really interesting. 1950, 1955 mountain road, forest road, and we're making some pretty good progress. Of course, we're also hoping that our friends have already reached up with the other hikers, because they have decided to return to Xiaoguohu, but we are pushing on. And actually the road conditions on this side, I really think it was a good call to continue, because we've been walking for over an hour and it's just been pretty much like this, just a mountain. So it's 4 p.m. now, and it seems like the little mountain road that we've been walking on all day comes to an end here. It turns to the right and then it heads towards Taitung, but it's actually not in the map anymore, so it may be just destroyed in that area, and we'll have to get back on a mountain ridge, and hopefully it just won't be too difficult. It seems like someone tried to get a fire started here, so someone definitely camped in this area. Okay. So that old road continues in this way, in this direction. You can still somewhat make it out that there was a road here to Taitung, and this is the trail to Dagoihu, and we will have to somehow get across this swampy area. I think I see a ribbon on the other side.
I wanna drink some water.
Okay. Oh, careful, some of these rocks move. Be careful, these rocks may be slippery. Hey, it's day 5, and this is where we made camp today. And we are going to continue today to Dagoihu finally. You'll follow this ridge here, go to the right, and Dagoihu should be around 8 kilometers away from here. There's a puddle of water here. I don't know if it's easy on the right side or on the left side, honestly. Can you go through on that side?
I think here is easy.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Okay. Careful here. This is really gnarly. This is really shit right now, honestly. Need to be super careful here, okay? Okay. Looks okay here. Just about 2 kilometers away from the big ghost lake Dagoihu, but you can't seem to be able to find any more ribbons or any trail, and we have to scale about 100-meter slope right here to our next to our right, and it's been 6 days now, so we're pretty fatigued. Let's see if we can find a trail over here. I mean, according to the GPS, we need to go up here, so maybe just go like this, and then once we're on the ridge like that, that seems more doable, right? Let's do this. We're almost at Dagoihu, so I don't really know what these are saying, but we're really close now. Just one more small mountain between us and the big ghost lake. I think we should be there in about an hour. I'm extremely tired. We've been walking all day. Extremely tired now. I think I can see it. We're almost there. I'm gonna wait for you here. Finally made it. Wow, that is pretty big. They don't call it Big Ghost Lake for no reason. Wow. Wow. Just amazing. And this is what the Big Ghost Lake Dagoihu looks like in the morning. It's been raining a lot last night, but it seems to be clearing up now. And we just filtered some water. Gonna make us a coffee now, and then we'll be heading back to civilization finally after 7 days. We just packed everything, leaving no trace, as you should. Goodbye Dagoihu, the Big Ghost Lake. And now we have to get back up 250 meters, and then we will have to be going down today 1,200 meters all the way to a riverbed, and then follow riverbed for around 20 kilometers. And hopefully we won't be having to do any bouldering or things like that. And Shinny forgot her comb here. She's gonna lose her mind. Look.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. So hopefully there won't be too many leeches because it was rainy last night. But it is cloudy now. However, it seems like it's not gonna rain anytime soon. So anyways, I gotta be careful now because this area is very steep and slippery. So let's do this. I know that I haven't really recorded so much of the trek these days, but we have just been really exhausted, and sometimes when the trail is not clear, of course you really need to focus, and I don't know, making a video is not really the first thing on your mind when it's a kind of survival situation. We just have to go down 1,300 meters and we'll be finally arriving at riverbed and finally be out of the jungle after 7 days. That being said, it's still gonna take us a while to actually get to civilization. We'll have to follow the river, I think, for almost 20 kilometers, and I don't know how difficult it is, but it looks fairly, the contour lines on the map seem fairly flat, so I think we'll manage. And I see the top here. That's the boulder. That's the very top of the mountain. We climbed up there yesterday. Had almost some signal up there. Almost could maybe make an emergency call from up there, but unfortunately no internet connection at all. So, but we are pretty far away from any town or any radio tower. So you can see this is this giant boulder. Yes, and here I am. Still hanging in there. And let's get a little bit closer. I don't know if I recorded this yesterday, so maybe just not gonna go to the top today, but just so you guys have seen it. That's the top of the mountain right there. I think it's actually that boulder over there. We have to get through there, over there, and that's the very top. Almost there, and that's the top of Yao Bai mountain. This is the mountain we are on right now, the mountain closest to Dagoihu, the Big Ghost Lake. So this is the very top of Yao Bai mountain. That's 2,400 meters, and I think it's right in between Pingtung and Taitung border. So there we go, 2,400 meters. Yao Bai, and I think this is a holy mountain. Yao Bai is something very holy and special, and it does look very special. It seems like it's clearing up now. We are approaching the west coast, so it's always very cloudy on the east coast, but now this way we are heading to the west coast. Okay, we are almost at the ridge. Now we have to follow or get through this jungle, about 300 meters of this, and then we should be at the final descent out of the jungle. I think it's like a 1,100 or 1,200 meter drop. The ridge where we're going down, distance I think is 5 or 6K. So it shouldn't be too gnarly, not too steep. And then we'll be out of here. So almost out. This is day 7. The jungle looks pretty thick up here, but I still see a couple of ribbons, so, and it's not too far anyways. According to the map, just 337 meters, and we actually have to go up a little again, 47 meters, so that's okay. So it's around 1 p.m. now, and we're on the final descent going down. It's feeling much warmer and much more dry on this side. On the mountain, it just looks so different. The vegetation, everything looks so different, and we can actually see the riverbed already down there, and I'm really getting excited to get down there, to be out of the jungle. Wow, this looks just amazing. Wow, that looks so awesome. According to the map, we only have 270 more meters to go, and we'll be arriving at Bayoshi River, and then we'll just have to do the river tracing, and we'll finally be back in civilization. Honestly, I love the forest, I love the outdoors, but I really have to get out of here. I love green, the green color, but this is too much green. Unbelievable. I can almost see the riverbed. God, am I looking forward to just walking back home, just out of here. This has been an amazing trip, beautiful, but also extremely tiresome and very, very difficult, but also so much fun and very, very special. It's just too bad that that 2 of our hiking buddies couldn't make it. They gave up midway. Wow. This is amazing. You have to be careful here, it's kind of steep. Oh my God, we're almost out. I cannot believe it. It's been 7 days in the jungle. Oh, Jesus. Wow, I just broke my... Wow, that thing just snapped. Wow. And I got that in the camera. My hiking stick just broke. Only survived 1 hike. I just bought this one. Be really careful here. Ah, Jesus. Be careful. Go very slowly. Are you okay? I'll wait for you here. Almost out. Jeez. Okay. How am I supposed to go down there now? What the fuck is this shit? Out. I'm waiting here. Okay. We got this. And here's the ribbon. It shows that this is our trail, and it just fell down, so we're just gonna place it here, I guess. You okay? Hey, the sun is coming out. We made it! We made it! We're out of the jungle. No more jungle, we're at the riverbed. Come. Congratulations. Are you okay? Oh, sorry. What's that? I don't know, it looks really not easy to walk there. I'm not sure. Ah, you mean it's too steep, yes? Ah, yeah, you may be right. Okay. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. Just go slowly. Cameraman never dies, guys. Okay, it's around 5 p.m. now and the sun is setting, so we've decided to spend one more night here, just pitching the tent, and we've got a pretty good spot here. We still have around 23 kilometers to go tomorrow. We just figured so. And since it's still a little tricky to hike here, we've decided to just stay and then get out tomorrow very early. We still have about 20k to Davu village. 20k more of this. But at least we're out of the jungle. Slept pretty well. Had a pretty okay rest, and now we are looking to get out of here on day 8. Okay, so we are about half an hour into day 8 and it looks pretty okay here. The river is down there, and let's hope that nothing crazy is in front of us so we can just walk out of here. Okay, so far so good. Be careful here. These rocks may move. Go down first. I can't jump. You okay? Be careful, these rocks may move. We're very close to the Hayoshi hot spring. We should be there around 1 p.m. and if we are lucky we might see people there. So yeah, like I said, very close to Hayoshi hot spring. Maybe 2 more hours. Hopefully we'll see some people there. And this is what this looks like right now. We have been walking on this riverbed for about 4 hours now, I think, and yeah, it looks like it's getting more flat. Let's hope that this canyon here will be passable and then we should be fine. Do you need help? Do you need help, Shini? I'm here. There you go. That's a bullet. We just found this bullet. I hope no one's gonna try to shoot us. There are probably aboriginal hunters in this area.日本领导来了。
哦，你们从日本啊？
嗯。
哇，
你们从日本走过来啊？
从小鬼湖过来。
你们从小鬼湖？
哦，厉害厉害。
对，一个是从这边，一个是从前面那边的，可以从那个海口西那边下来，那边比较近了。
好。
哦。
你们几天？从
8天。
8天。
差不多了。哦，8天。
厉害厉害。
要去大鬼湖啊？
好。
哎，来回3天。
好，慢慢来。
好，
拜拜。
拜。
That's a cool looking rock. So there seems to be another hot spring here, and we'll take a short rest here for a few minutes, and I might actually go for a swim. Okay, this seems to be the hot spring. I'm definitely not. You have internet? Oh wow. Definitely not going into the hot spring though. Coming out.
And then drive us to police station.
Really? That's ridiculous. What did you find? Oh, 谢谢。
啊，这边有水了。
谢谢您。
你有碰到我朋友他们吗？
他们是4个人。
对，有。